Welcome to the gyaldemkitchen, and today I'm gonna make you a coconut lemon bar. Let's go! 1.5 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of coconut oil / MCT. So you're gonna make sure to mix everybody. And if you look crumbsy, then we're gonna put it in here, so pat it out. Alright, this is ready for the oven for 15 minutes. Make sure your oven is preheated at 350. So we're gonna set the timer to 15 minutes, starting, and let's wait. In the meantime that we're waiting, we're gonna do 4 eggs cracked. One and a half cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of lemon juice. So I'm gonna cut it, make one fresh. Alright, so we're gonna put in a teaspoon of baking soda and then mix. Okay, now you're gonna pour whatever you whisk right on top. You're gonna sprinkle some coconut on the top. I love coconut, so I want olive. We're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Set timer. You're gonna take it out and make it sit and cool. Then we can slice it. Look at this baby. Me I telling you, say that's something, yeah? Nice. Very addicting. Me I tell you, say I'm gonna eat up the whole thing tonight. Me and hubby. So you are. I'm gonna talk to you later, and I love you. Bye.